I'm not gonna lie, I struggled, like struggled. This palette didn't work for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shelby and I upload every Monday and Thursday. If you are not new here, welcome back. If you have not already, please subscribe. For today's look, I used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. It's part of the Vault collection and it is in Bling Boss, so it is the purple palette. So pretty. I was so excited to try this because I don't have anything like it. Like the purple, this purple was what I was most excited about. So I did a full look on this today. So if you were interested in seeing how I got this look as well as my review, then please keep watching. Started doing this look again. This is my third attempt to do an eyeshadow look with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Bling Boss palette. So what I've done so far is just went in with Hush Hush. When I went in with Hush Hush as a transition color, I'm struggling, and then I went in with Sparks right here inside my crease as well, and then that's all I've done so far. Just decided I wanted to record it just in the off chance that it does come out really well. I wanted there to be some footage, so I'm going to fast forward the rest of this eye makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing this, keep watching. I finished the look. I put on some lashes. I used the Born This Way foundation and I used a mixture of the products. So I'm gonna get into the review. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled. Like struggled. This eye look is actually the third eye look that I did, the third time that I tried. The first two were disasters. I will include some clips of me trying this eyeshadow palette. Not going on. Okay. As you can see, the color just wasn't as bright or pigmented as I thought. I'm really trying. It's actually going on very matte without any sheen. So that was what I found, and it just wasn't going on the way I wanted. So I wet my brush thinking that that would help the pigment, and it did, but as you can see, the other colors were just so patchy and not blended out at all. This is not the vibe in the video, just because I couldn't believe it. Honestly, I was like, maybe it's just my brush, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. So I took it on and went in again with different colors, trying a different type of eyeshadow look, thinking that might have been it, and it wasn't. Like all right here where it came out the pan, you see, but I'm not getting no type of pigment on my brush, and I'm like really in there. So I don't know if it's the brush. The M441, it's little, and I'm gonna go back in, try to save this look. Like this palette is just not working with me. I don't know why. I can't let people see this. Like Now I know there's been like a lot of controversy with this palette because, well, with this collection, because the formula the first time wasn't right, so they pushed back the release date, they reformulated them, and they're out now. So I'm hoping that the palette that I got was one of the first ones, because I really don't want to believe that this was the reformulation, because it was not good. It wouldn't blend for me. I mean, this look, it's not what I expected. And I have the Jaclyn and Hill and Morphe original palette with them, the white one. I can't remember the name, but I have the original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and that one is so good. The colors blend out so well. All the colors in the palette are very pigmented. They go on. If it's a pressed pigment or a shimmer or there's a sheen to the eyeshadow, then you can see that in the product. As you can see from my clip, I tried to use this as a pressed pigment. I had to like scrape it to get pigment first off. Second of all, it went on as a matte versus it didn't have any type of sheen to it. There was a lot of fallout, which was crazy because there was so much fallout, but there was no color deposit. It was really weird. I mean, this color, it's red. If you have, my camera's not picking it up as red, but it's a red undertone, I would say. Very, like, it's like a burgundy red. And when I put it on the first time, it was turning purple. I don't know if that's because my eye color, what I was doing, but I did put on a concealer, so I did have a clean base to work with. So that color changed on me. What I'm wearing today, I used Hush Hush as the transition color. I used Rockstar as the outside color, and then I just used Bling Bling. I was not trying to use any more colors because I wasn't trying to like have it look worse. I don't like this look. It may not look that bad on camera, but really close, like you can just see how like it didn't blend. You can, when you're close up, you can see patchiness where it just did not want to blend on smoothly. And I would like to think I at least know how to put on a transition color. So I'm not too sure. I'm really bummed because I was so excited about this palette. I don't know if anybody else has had this type of experience. If you have, let me know. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this back, this specific palette, and order it online and see if I have better luck, because I just refuse to accept this as the end result. I am upset. I can't believe it, you know? So thank you so much for watching. If you have any input after seeing my video and seeing my clips, maybe something I can do differently to help the situation, then please let me know. I'd be more than happy to try again. I mean, I tried this palette 3 times before I came up with this look, and this isn't even, yeah, any recommendations you have, I'm all ears. If you've had the same experience with this, let me know as well. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in my next video.